So you've had your launch party and now you need to submit those orders. What you're going to do is log into your workstation, click on orders, and then click create a party. This is going to take you to the party page. From here, you can name your party. So since this is your launch party, let's name it your name and then launch party. And then hit continue. From here, it's going to ask you, who do you want the host to be? Now, this is your launch party, so let's do use consultant as host. Now, if you were having someone else host a party for you, you would enter a name here to add a guest. After that, we're going to hit save and continue. Here it's going to ask you, would you like your party on your PWS? Now your PWS is your personal website. You always want to have that clicked on yes, simply because it's going to pop up on your website and it's going to ask those who visit your website if they would like to attach their order to a party. We need that to be yes so that you can earn host rewards. And second, it's going to allow you to customize your party. You can add a title, a description, a video or image, or you could use the defaults that Scentsy has set up for this month. Next, you can do featured products. Now, featured products are our current specials, or you can choose your favorites. The last step is going to be choosing your end date. Now, your end date is going to be the day that your party ends. Again, in order to hit shooting star, we need that to be within your first 15 days. So click on this calendar and choose the date accordingly in order to choose 15 days. From there, you're going to click continue, and it's going to give you your party link. Now, this is the link that you want to send to your friends and your family who may be out of town, or you want to submit this on your virtual party page if you're doing a virtual launch party. However you need to share this link, click on copy link and it will copy it, and then you can send it to those that you need to. From there, we're going to click on go to party orders. Now here is where you're going to add your guest. So I'm going to add a guest. Once you start entering your customers, Scentsy will save their information, their address, their phone number, their email. That way, future orders are easier to input. So let's choose that customer. It will ask you if you want to ship directly to that customer. I always hit no because I want their orders to come to me. However, if they are not local to you, you will need to click yes. So let's do save and add products to cart. Now it does give her her own cart under our host cart. So we would click that and we would simply start adding our products. Now, if let's say that your customer does a bundle and save option, you have to enter those bundle and saves into your workstation as bundle and saves. You would not be able to just do 6 individual scent circles and the system just automatically knows that you want to do it as a bundle. From there, you're going to do build your bundle, and you can either filter all fragrance families or the different categories. You can also search by the name and it will simply come up. So we're going to add those in there. Now, for demonstration purposes, we want this party to be over $500. To be a qualifying party for your host to start earning rewards, it must be at least $200. Now, if your party hits $500, then your host qualifies for free shipping. Anything less than $500, each party guest will be charged a 5% shipping rate. Now, let's go ahead and add some more to it. So I'm going to add just a bunch of these warmers in order to get this total up to $500. Now from there, once we have that, we're going to take a look at our host cart. Now here we start seeing that we have host credits and our host half-offs. So with this being your launch party, that is product credit that you may use for yourself to build your business, or maybe get that warmer that you've been looking at. So you would simply add in the items that you are wanting, and it's going to automatically deduct that from the total as you see. Again, if you go over that amount, then you will see the difference and you will just have to pay the difference. Now with half-offs, we can use them on anything. However, if your item that you are wanting to use that half-off on is over $75, it will take 2 half-offs to purchase that one item at half-off price. So from there, we're going to go to checkout. Now, if you do not use your host half-price credits, it will charge you $5. So if you have those, use those. If for whatever reason you don't want to use those, or you don't, want to go over budget, just get something small like a cent circle. That's still half off, so that's only charging you $1.50. But make sure that you use those. Now, your tax rate is going to be the tax at whatever this shipping address is. So if this is shipping to your guest, then it's going to charge them based on their tax information. So if you're doing a home party, make sure that you calculate that correctly. It's also going to show you your PRV. So you're already at 500, which means you've already earned Shooting Star. It's also showing us that the party shipping is free because we hit that $500 mark. Now from there, you're going to hit continue. And then it will also allow you to choose which customer you are wanting to add the payment for. So if you have multiple cards, you are able to put those in individually. Now, if you have a customer that does want to pay you cash or check, you must deposit that into your bank account prior to submitting this order. However, once you get everything done, you would just click add payment. Once all payments have been added, you will get submit. From there, it's going to show you under your order history. So from here, you would be able to click on an order. It's going to show you all of the information, and you can also expand the information to see all the products that are included on that order. Now, once your orders have shipped, it will show you shipped. So if I click on this shipped, it's going to give me a tracking number that I can track my packages. You always want to keep your customers up to date on when their packages are going to be delivered, and that is part of great customer service. That is how you enter a party into your workstation. Come back for another video.